Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to study about counting in numbers from 0 until 100. Listen carefully and study it how you pronounce them correctly. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Counting arithmetic calculation. 10 plus 10 equals to 20.
Berhitung aritmatika. 10 ditambah 10 sama dengan 20.
20 minus 5 equals to 15.
20 dikurangi 5 sama dengan 15.
30 divided by 5 equals to 6.
30 dibagi 5 sama dengan 6.
10 times 5 equals to 50.
10 dikali 5 sama dengan 50.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.